Alright, I'm ready to do another unboxing. So, I'm not quite sure what I got this time. I've got 2 boxes to open, so let's see what we got. I always put so much tape on these. I've got no music in the background now because YouTube didn't like that before, so scrap that. Alright, what do I have? Awesome. This. Been meaning to get this one for a while. It's the double EP by Enslaved, Sleeping Gods, and Thorn. Love the music on this album. Let's see what it's like inside. It's the only professional way to open a record. This is the first one I've got in a while that's not a double LP or a gatefold, but that's alright. I've got plenty of those. Got some really nice printed sleeve on it with all the lyrics. That's cool. And the regular old black. So that's that one. Pretty excited for that. I think the other package might also be Enslaved Records. Wouldn't be surprised. Alright, let's put that all back together. The right way. So here's box number 2. This is really packed up tight. That's good. There's very precious cargo in here. Oh my god. Of this album for the longest time. Sadly, it's a reprint, but it's the best I can do. It's one of my absolute favorite albums of all time. And it's got bonus tracks. Oh, that's awesome. And gave me plastic sleeves, so I don't have to buy new ones. I'm always running low on those. So we've got lovely gatefold album. Very cool. Lovely little printed album sleeves. And the vinyls themselves are rad. That is my favorite color. Oh, I can't wait to listen to this. And then, of course, also had to get the reprint of Vertebrae. Also has bonus tracks, King Crimson cover, and Earthshine. Oh man, can't wait to listen to that. I don't think I've ever heard that cover. Lovely sleeve. Insides. Really shiny. Very high gloss. And that. These ones are yellow. Can't see through. Very beautiful packaging. So that was my newest record mail. I know I have more coming, so you should expect to see me again.